Today's featured car is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS396 with a 4-speed and the Cowl induction hood, and it would look great in this blue color. It's definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. This one I recorded at my local classic car cruise night, and it definitely caught my eye, that's for sure. But as far as production numbers go, Chevrolet built about 300,000 Malibu Chevelles in 1970. And of those, 53,599 were SS396s. And that includes the El Caminos. So they weren't rare by any stretch of the imagination. The 454, the SS 454 models. Now those were rarer. The LS5 and LS6, they built 8,773, and actually the LS5 was rarest of the two. They built 4,298 of the LS5. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.